Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to order easily on Superbuy. Let's get started. Firstly, make sure you're logged into your Superbuy account. Then search, you can just go ahead and search for the product that you wanna order. Let's say for example, phone case. I'm just gonna give you an example with this so you can actually know how to order. You can just search for the exact one that you're looking for. Let's say for example this one. You can just scroll down here and look for the exact color that you want to order. You can just click on it on here. Let's say for example silver. Then scroll down and for the exact phone that you want to order it for. If it's for example Apple 15, you can just click on this plus. If you want to order like 5 units or 7, you can just keep clicking here until it appears here 7 or 5. If you want to remove one, you can just click here. If you want to add, you can click here. Once you finish with the quantity, you can just click on buy now, or if you want to add other items, you can click on add to cart. But if it's only this item, you can just click on buy now. This one is very important. You have to choose the destination country by clicking here and choose which country this product is going to. Let's say for example Spain. Then scroll down. These are going to be the features for the product. Here video capture, detailed inspection, whatever you would like to add. You can just scroll down and click here and then click on submit. Here you can choose the way that you would want to pay. If it's going to be Wise or Apple Pay or credit cards, crypto, Alipay, Ideal, it depends on which is the best for you. And this is how you can order on Superbuy. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.